Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna continue my previous video about the micromodal JavaScript library, and I'm gonna add a form inside the model. I'm gonna use contact form 7. So I'm gonna start with by embedding the short code into the model container. Okay, and let's test if it's work. Alright, that's working. And I'm gonna change the button by let's edit the contact form, and let's delete it first. I'm gonna create a button to close the model button class. Let's create a class name, the button secondary, and let's see here. Where is the button? Okay, here is the button, close model. So I'm gonna just add the attribute, and let's insert the submit button label. Let's say send message, submit button, and let's create a class name, a button primary. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, now I have two button secondary and button primary here, and then I'm gonna delete the button which I have created on the builder. Just delete this. Okay, now let's add a CSS property and value to our class name. The button primary, the background color. I'm gonna use a variable that I have created. Color primary. Oops. Why? Okay. For then I'm gonna create for button secondary. And let's add a button secondary class for a close button. Background color, it's secondary, and color should be same, white. Okay. Refresh. Okay, that's good. I think I should add the button. Let's say button medium. Padding. Space. How much did I put? Space maybe 10, and I'm gonna add a class to here. Oops. Okay, that's good, but why only medium? Yeah. Okay, that's good, I think. And why there is a BR tag? Can I just do something like this? Okay, that's good. And let's the button secondary. Okay, let's just add a margin right to space maybe 10 pixels. Okay, that's good. Okay. And why I think I added a class to my input. Yeah, this is okay. Oops. Wait. Okay, that's good. The form's working. And now I'm gonna create another content that will show the the successful notification. So the idea is I'm gonna add maybe block, name it model successfully content, and let's alright, where okay, I'm gonna set it to flex first. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna duplicate this. Okay, just say that. Paste into RAM, okay. Alright. Thank you. And let's write your message has been received by us. We will contact you as SAP, yeah, as soon as possible, right? Okay, and let's add some SVG file. Do I have? I don't have any SVG file. Let's free SVG. Why this? Okay. What is the best icon to show the notification, the successfully notification? Maybe some happy. I don't know. Maybe. Why? the the icon is kinda dumb, but I like it. I'm gonna use this. It's funny, and I like the funny thing. Okay, just upload. Oh, let's set the header height to maybe 200 pixel. And I'm gonna display none. Okay, thank you. Okay. This is better. All right, now I'm gonna set it none by default. Okay. So when the form is successfully submitted, and then it will trigger the event. It will add a class to hide this. Where is that? Okay, here. When the form is submitted, it will add a class to hide this element, this modal content for a form. And let's say display none. And then it will it will remove, or it will change the value of the display property on the modal successfully content notification. Let's say this flags. Okay, so it will become something like this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna the contact form 7 has already provide DOM event, and I will use that. So let's add our script. Where is that? We're not okay here. Okay, let's name it to CF7 even after submit success, something like this. And let's see. Okay, let's see the form here. Okay, let's see the DOM element. Okay, here. So let's test. There is class submitting, there is class resetting, and there is class descent. Right? Okay, so I'm gonna target this element here, the parent element of form. Let's say the var wp. Yeah, I'm actually seeing my code that I written before. Since I'm not really expert on the JavaScript thing, I cannot write it on my own. Okay, then I think I'm gonna copy this for faster. Okay, so when you see they have provided the list of contact form 7 custom DOM event, so I'm gonna use this, the WP CF7 mail sends fire when the Ajax form submission has complete successfully and mail has been sent out. Okay, so I'm using that, and then I'm gonna target my form ID here. This is the form ID, and here is my form ID 128. Okay, so when the form is successfully submit here, it will find the element with class modal content, and it will toggle class denote, and then it will find other element with a modal content success class name, and it will toggle class denote. So I did something wrong here. Here is the modal content, see on the top left, modal content classes class name, and then I should add a modal content success class name to the content to the container of the success notification. Okay, and then so the display, I will not use this. Instead, I'm gonna use the denote class name. So denote is, let's go to our style and let's create a CSS denote. If display none, so it will toggle class between the known for the two element here. Oops, okay, we have error. Why? What is that? Yeah, I forgot to add a close bracket. Yep, something like this. And let's see. Okay. Oops. It will close when you click escape keyboard button. Okay, let's see here. When the form submitted, it will add the class or toggle class. That means that it will add the class denote here, and then it will toggle class denote from the second element here. So basically, this element will hide, and this element will show. So let's test. Okay, the none. Okay, that's good. Display none. Yeah, it's the display none. Why here? Okay, I think I need to refresh it this once more. Okay, let's see again. Display none. Why display still none? Should I change to this first? Okay, let's see. Why display still none? I don't know. Oh my god. Yeah, I should delete that. I don't know, it's bug or no, I don't know. Display none. Display flag. The non bear block. Why? The non class? Do I have a class with? I don't know. It's really weird. Huh. It's just like last time. The non bear block. Should I delete the class name first? And let's see. Alright, let's add a class name again and see what's happened. Okay. Alright, that's working. And now I have clicked many times on this display setting, but it need more time to do remove the display value. So let's test it. I think this should working. So let's send nice. Okay. Let's close. Yeah. When the model has closed, then I need to remove this class the noun from the element. It need to refer to the default before something like before the form has successfully submitted. The default is like this. Okay, so the visitor or the user can send the form again if they need. So what I'm gonna do is there is on close event on the micro model here. on close. So when the model close, we are gonna remove the class name from and remove the denon and add a denon to the two element here. So I'm gonna show something like this. On model content, it's not toggle class, but remove class and add class. I think this will working. Okay, let's see. Oops, my keyboard is somehow error. Okay, now when I close the pop-up and click the model again, okay, now the form is show up again. Okay, let's test again once more. Alright, here is the email. Okay, now the issue is you know, when the model is closed, and you will see that the transition is not really good. See, if I close the pop-up, see, I need to since the element of the form container is showing, and it will show some part of the form when I close the model. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delay the JavaScript code to run for about let's see, maybe 800 milliseconds. Okay, let's see. Oops. Send message. Okay, now it's good. The transition is more smooth. Okay. No? Okay. That's cool. And yeah, I think you can this model tone. Oh yeah, I forget to let's add some button to our notification form and notification container. Let's add a button and close and add, and we're gonna use a button secondary class name, then button medium. All right, and let's see. Okay, yeah, I need to add the attribute tag. Where is that? Here, data micro modal close to button. Okay, and maybe add some margin top, maybe 1 rem Oh, just to RAM. Okay, let's see. Oops. Yeah, why? And you should not click the outside of container. It's really hard. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. That's good. I think that's working. And yeah, the fun thing about this that we can create our custom notification on the model layout, and I think it's cool. And yeah, I think that's enough for today. That's all for today. And I'm sorry if I replay the comment a little bit late, since I do have something to do on daily. As usual, if you have any question, suggestion, or critic, uh, just write on the comment box down below. And just good night and happy coding.